Before you proceed, pause the video and think of what will be the output for this code. This video is about a special kind of Python slicing in Python sequences. When Python executes the first line, it basically stores a sequence of characters P, Y, T, H, O, N in the memory. Together with each character, Python assigns an index that starts at 0 as reference to each character in the string. Python will also keep the length of the string, which is 6. Now, before we analyze the previous code, let's have a look at this code. What will be the output if we only use a single value in the square bracket? Here, Python will use the index 2 to extract the value in the sequence. At this location, the element contains character T, and Python will print T to the screen. Notice that we only use one value in the square bracket. This is called indexing. Indexing will access a single element in a sequence by its position. Now, we revert back to our first code. What if we execute this line with -3 and colon in the square bracket? This is not a single index lookup. This is called slicing. Slicing will extract a portion or a subsequence of a sequence. When Python sees this format, it knows that this is a slicing request. It wants a slice or a portion of the string sequence, not one element. Python will interpret it as start, stop, step, because the code only provides the start, which is at -3, and no stop and no step. Conceptually, the code becomes -3, none, none. What does it mean? It will start from -3. Since the stop is not provided, it will be defaulted to until the end of the string. Also, since the step is not provided, it will be defaulted to step 1. However, Python cannot directly use -3, so it needs to convert it into a positive index with the formula of real index equals to the length plus the negative index. And the final result is we have the real index as 3. Python now interprets it as 3 6 1, which means it starts at index 3, then moves forward one step at a time until before index 6, and the collected characters are HON. Python strings are immutable, which means it cannot be modified once created. So slicing does not modify the original string. Instead, Python creates a brand new string object. Internally, it will be something like this, where a new string is assigned characters HON. That new substring will be brought to the print function and will appear on screen as HON. Here is a little bit advanced detail of what is going on behind the scene of slicing we have seen just now. Python actually uses a slice function in place of the square bracket. You can even test it manually using the slice function. Alright, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.